Time to do our makeup. Belle, can you help me look stunning? Can you brighten my tired skin? Shape my eyebrows with the tweezers. Great! Now wash my face, please. Rinse the soap. My skin is so fresh now. I love face masks. It's so fun doing a spa day. Wait for a few minutes. It feels great. Apply foundation, please. Fill in my eyebrows. Now I have flawless looking skin. Help me look stunning. Choose the color of the lipstick. Apply a lip gloss. Good job! I look amazing! Can you help me look stunning? Very good! Now apply the eyeshadow. Let's add more colors. And mascara for a perfect finish. I look stunning. You are so great. Can you help me look stunning? Choose the best outfit for me. Classy. Be beautiful. What a beautiful dress! Nice crown! You got style! Can you help me look stunning? I love shiny crystals. Ooh, very nice!